Dryness, frizz, breakage, and dull-looking hair are common problems many people face, especially with heat styling, coloring, and environmental stress. Regular conditioner sometimes isn't enough to repair damaged strands or restore lost moisture. That's where a high-quality hair mask becomes essential. A good hair mask penetrates deeper into the hair shaft to deliver intense hydration, nourishment, and repair. Whether your hair needs strengthening, smoothing, or deep conditioning, the right treatment can dramatically improve its appearance and health. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best hair masks designed to restore softness, shine, and strength. Kicking off our list at number 1, Arvazallia Hydrating Argan. The Arvazallia Hydrating Argan is designed for individuals struggling with dry, brittle, or over-processed hair that lacks moisture and shine. Frequent heat styling, coloring treatments, and environmental stress can leave hair feeling rough and difficult to manage. This treatment focuses on delivering intense hydration through argan oil, an ingredient known for nourishing hair while helping restore softness and smoothness. The formula works to improve the overall look and feel of damaged hair strands. Key features: the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan includes argan oil, which is widely recognized for its ability to moisturize and condition hair deeply. The creamy formula coats hair evenly, helping to smooth the cuticle layer and improve manageability. The treatment also focuses on restoring shine and softness while reducing visible frizz. Its rich texture allows the ingredients to penetrate the hair shaft for deeper conditioning. Benefits and usage: the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan helps transform dry and dull hair into smoother and more manageable strands. Regular use can improve hair softness while reducing frizz and tangles. Many users apply it after shampooing as a weekly treatment to maintain moisture balance and restore healthy-looking shine. Usability: the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan is designed for easy use during regular hair care routines. After washing hair, a small amount is applied evenly from mid-lengths to ends and left on for several minutes. The formula spreads easily through the hair and rinses out without leaving heavy residue. Durability: the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan maintains its conditioning performance over repeated use. The thick formula remains stable within the container and retains its texture when stored properly. With consistent use and proper storage, the treatment continues delivering reliable hydration and nourishment. In the second spot, we have Karseell Collagen Conditioner. The Karseell Collagen Conditioner is designed for individuals who want to strengthen and repair weakened hair strands. Hair that has been exposed to chemical treatments, frequent styling, or environmental damage often loses elasticity and structure. This formula focuses on using collagen and nourishing ingredients to support hair strength while improving smoothness and shine. Key features: the Karseell Collagen Conditioner includes collagen, which helps support the structure of the hair strands. The rich formula provides deep conditioning that helps smooth the hair cuticle. The treatment also contains hydrating ingredients that improve softness while reducing dryness and frizz. Benefits and usage: the Karseell Collagen Conditioner helps restore hair strength while improving texture and shine. Users often notice smoother strands and improved manageability after consistent use. The formula is commonly applied once or twice per week as part of a deep conditioning routine for damaged hair. Usability: the Karseell Collagen Conditioner is designed for simple application after shampooing. The treatment is distributed evenly through damp hair and left on for several minutes before rinsing. Its creamy texture allows it to spread easily without requiring excessive amounts. Durability: the Karseell Collagen Conditioner maintains its conditioning quality during long-term storage when sealed properly. The formula remains stable and effective across multiple uses. With consistent application, the treatment continues supporting hair strength and hydration. Coming in at number 3 is the MAREE Deep Hair Mask. The MAREE Deep Hair Mask is designed for individuals who want intensive conditioning to repair and hydrate hair that has become dry or damaged. Many hair types experience moisture loss from heat styling tools, harsh weather conditions, or chemical processing. This treatment focuses on restoring moisture while improving overall hair texture and shine. Key features: the MAREE Deep Hair Mask includes hydrating ingredients and nourishing oils designed to soften and smooth hair strands. The rich formula penetrates the hair cuticle to improve hydration levels. The treatment also works to reduce frizz and improve the appearance of dull or lifeless hair. Benefits and usage: the MAREE Deep Hair Mask helps restore softness and shine to hair that feels rough or dry.
Regular use can improve hair manageability and make styling easier. Many users incorporate it into weekly hair care routines to maintain moisture balance and protect hair from further damage. Usability. The MAREE Deep Hair Mask is applied to clean, damp hair after shampooing. The treatment is spread evenly from mid-lengths to ends and left in place for several minutes to allow absorption. It rinses out easily without leaving a heavy coating. Durability. The MAREE Deep Hair Mask maintains its texture and conditioning properties over time when stored correctly. The formula remains thick and effective with repeated use. Consistent application helps maintain hydration and improve hair health over extended periods.
Taking our fourth spot is Dove Intensive Bioprotein. The Dove Intensive Bioprotein is designed for individuals dealing with weak, brittle hair that breaks easily due to damage or dryness. Everyday styling habits such as blow-drying, straightening, or chemical treatments can gradually weaken the hair structure. This treatment focuses on restoring strength while delivering deep nourishment that helps improve the resilience and appearance of damaged hair strands. The formula aims to rebuild hair's natural structure while maintaining softness and shine. Key features. The Dove Intensive Bioprotein includes bioprotein technology designed to help reinforce weakened hair fibers. The rich conditioning formula penetrates deep into the hair strands to improve strength and flexibility. The treatment also includes moisturizing ingredients that help soften rough hair texture while restoring natural shine. Benefits and usage. The Dove Intensive Bioprotein helps repair visible signs of hair damage such as dryness, brittleness, and dullness. Regular use can make hair feel smoother and stronger while improving manageability during styling. Many users incorporate this treatment into weekly hair care routines to help maintain healthier hair after exposure to heat styling tools. Usability. The Dove Intensive Bioprotein is designed for convenient application after shampooing. The creamy formula spreads easily through damp hair and coats each strand evenly. After leaving it in place for several minutes, it rinses out cleanly while leaving hair feeling softer and easier to detangle. Durability. The Dove Intensive Bioprotein maintains its conditioning performance during repeated use. The thick formula remains stable in the container and retains its consistency when stored properly. With regular use and proper storage, it continues providing strengthening and nourishing benefits for long-term hair care.
At number 5, we have Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating is designed for individuals with dry or dehydrated hair that lacks softness and shine. Environmental stress, chemical treatments, and frequent heat styling can strip hair of its natural moisture. This treatment focuses on delivering deep hydration through nourishing ingredients that help restore moisture balance while improving overall hair texture. Key features. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating includes argan oil, which is known for its nourishing and moisturizing properties. The rich conditioning formula helps smooth the hair cuticle while improving softness and shine. The treatment also works to reduce frizz and improve hair manageability during styling. Benefits and usage. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating helps replenish moisture in dry hair, leaving strands feeling softer and more manageable. Many users apply it as a weekly deep conditioning treatment to maintain hydration levels and improve hair smoothness. The formula can also enhance the natural shine of dull or lifeless hair. Usability. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating is easy to incorporate into regular hair care routines. After shampooing, the treatment is applied evenly to damp hair and left in place for several minutes to allow absorption. The creamy texture spreads smoothly through hair strands and rinses out without leaving residue. Durability. The Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating maintains its nourishing performance over repeated uses. The formula remains thick and stable when stored properly in its container. Consistent use helps maintain hydrated, smoother-looking hair over time.
Landing at number 6 is the Therapy Session Conditioning. The Therapy Session Conditioning is designed for individuals who want salon-level deep conditioning at home. Hair can become dry, tangled, and difficult to manage due to styling, environmental factors, or chemical treatments. This treatment focuses on delivering intense conditioning that helps restore softness while improving the overall appearance of damaged hair. Key features. The Therapy Session Conditioning includes moisturizing ingredients designed to penetrate the hair shaft and restore hydration. The creamy formula coats hair evenly, helping smooth rough cuticles and reduce frizz. The treatment also improves detangling and enhances shine for healthier-looking hair. Benefits and usage. The therapy session conditioning helps transform dry or damaged hair into smoother and more manageable strands. Regular use can improve softness and reduce breakage during brushing or styling. Many users apply it weekly as part of a deep conditioning routine to maintain hair health. Usability. The therapy session conditioning is designed for straightforward application during hair washing routines. After shampooing, the treatment is applied evenly through damp hair and left in place for several minutes before rinsing. The formula spreads easily and provides noticeable softness after use. Durability. The therapy session conditioning retains its rich texture and conditioning properties over time. The formula remains stable inside the container and maintains effectiveness with repeated use. Proper storage helps preserve the product's quality for long-term hair care use.
Claiming the 7th spot, we have K18 Molecular Repair Mask. The K18 Molecular Repair Mask is designed for individuals with severely damaged hair caused by bleaching, coloring, or excessive heat styling. When hair bonds are broken, strands become weak and prone to breakage. This treatment focuses on repairing the internal structure of the hair using advanced molecular technology that helps restore strength and resilience. Key features. The K18 Molecular Repair Mask includes peptide-based technology designed to reconnect broken keratin chains within the hair structure. The lightweight formula penetrates deep into the hair shaft without leaving heavy residue. The treatment works to restore elasticity and strength while improving overall hair texture. Benefits and usage. The K18 Molecular Repair Mask helps repair visible damage while strengthening weakened hair strands. Users often notice improved elasticity and reduced breakage after consistent use. The treatment is especially beneficial for individuals with chemically treated or highly processed hair. Usability. The K18 Molecular Repair Mask is designed for simple application on towel-dried hair after shampooing. A small amount is applied evenly through the hair and left in place without rinsing. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly and allows normal styling afterward. Durability. The K18 Molecular Repair Mask maintains its repairing effectiveness over repeated applications. The concentrated formula requires only small amounts per use, allowing the container to last for multiple treatments. Proper storage helps preserve the integrity of its active ingredients.
Coming in at number 8 is the FINO Premium Touch Mask. The FINO Premium Touch Mask is designed for individuals who want deep nourishment and smoothness for hair that feels dry, rough, or difficult to manage. Frequent heat styling, environmental stress, and chemical treatments can cause hair to lose moisture and shine. This treatment focuses on restoring softness and improving the overall appearance of hair strands through a rich conditioning formula that penetrates deeply into the hair structure. Key features. The FINO Premium Touch Mask includes moisturizing and conditioning ingredients designed to replenish hydration and improve hair texture. The creamy formula coats hair evenly and works to smooth the outer cuticle layer. The treatment helps enhance shine while improving manageability during brushing and styling. Benefits and usage. The FINO Premium Touch Mask helps restore softness and smoothness to hair that feels dry or damaged. Many users apply it weekly as a deep conditioning treatment to maintain hydration and reduce frizz. Regular use can also help improve shine and make hair easier to style. Usability. The FINO Premium Touch Mask is designed for simple application during regular hair care routines. After shampooing, the treatment is applied evenly to damp hair from mid-lengths to ends and left on for several minutes before rinsing. Its creamy texture allows it to spread easily through hair strands. Durability. The FINO Premium Touch Mask maintains its thick and nourishing consistency during repeated use. The formula remains stable when stored properly in a sealed container. With consistent use, it continues delivering reliable conditioning and hydration benefits.
Taking the 9th position is Pantene Miracle Rescue. The Pantene Miracle Rescue is designed for individuals dealing with extremely damaged or fragile hair caused by frequent styling or chemical processing. Hair that has lost strength can break easily and appear dull or lifeless. This treatment focuses on restoring strength and smoothness while helping improve the overall condition of weakened hair strands. Key features. The Pantene Miracle Rescue includes strengthening ingredients designed to support hair repair and improve elasticity. The conditioning formula penetrates deeply into the hair shaft to restore moisture and improve softness. The treatment also helps reduce breakage and improve shine. Benefits and usage. The Pantene Miracle Rescue helps revive damaged hair by improving strength and reducing brittleness. Many users incorporate it into weekly hair care routines to maintain healthier-looking strands. The formula can also improve detangling and make hair easier to style. Usability. The Pantene Miracle Rescue is designed for easy use after shampooing. The treatment is applied evenly through damp hair and left in place for several minutes to allow absorption. It rinses out cleanly without leaving heavy buildup. Durability. The Pantene Miracle Rescue maintains its conditioning and strengthening performance over time when stored correctly. The formula remains consistent and effective across repeated uses. With regular application, it continues supporting hair repair and hydration.
And finally, we have Marc Anthony Grow Long. The Marc Anthony Grow Long is designed for individuals who want to support healthier, longer-looking hair by strengthening fragile strands. Hair breakage is often one of the main reasons people struggle to maintain length. This treatment focuses on nourishing hair while improving strength and elasticity, helping reduce breakage and improve overall hair appearance. Key features: the Marc Anthony Grow Long includes conditioning ingredients that help strengthen hair strands while improving hydration. The formula works to smooth the hair cuticle and enhance shine. The treatment also supports detangling and reduces frizz for easier styling. Benefits and usage. The Marc Anthony Grow Long helps improve hair strength while reducing breakage that can prevent hair from growing longer. Many users apply it weekly to maintain softness and support healthier-looking hair. The formula can also improve overall manageability and shine. Usability. The Marc Anthony Grow Long is designed for straightforward application during regular hair care routines. After shampooing, the treatment is distributed evenly through damp hair and left in place for several minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Durability. The Marc Anthony Grow Long maintains its nourishing performance with repeated use. The formula remains stable inside the container and retains its texture when stored properly. Consistent application helps maintain stronger and smoother-looking hair over time. Struggling with dry, damaged, or lifeless hair can make styling difficult and leave your hair looking dull no matter what products you use. That's why adding a quality hair mask to your routine can make a huge difference. Hair masks deliver deeper nourishment than regular conditioners, helping restore moisture, repair damage, and improve overall hair strength. The options we covered today are designed to tackle common hair problems like frizz, breakage, and dryness. Choosing the right hair mask for your hair type can help you achieve smoother, healthier, and more manageable hair over time.